Mass production of hummus is a precise journey, from vast chickpea fields to meticulous blending. This is how it's made. Hummus production begins with chickpea harvesting. They are grown in expansive farms, typically in regions with suitable climates and fertile soil. Mature chickpeas, identified by their dry pods, are harvested using specialized machinery that efficiently gathers the crop from extensive fields. After harvesting, chickpeas undergo rigorous cleaning using vibrating screens, air jets, and sorting equipment to remove dirt, stones, twigs, and other debris. Once cleaned, chickpeas are transported in bulk containers or trucks to hummus factories. Upon arrival, chickpeas are stored in large silos or bins, maintaining controlled temperature and humidity to preserve quality until processing. After chickpeas are soaked, they are transferred into industrial mixers equipped with powerful blades designed to achieve a smooth puree. At this stage, additional ingredients are precisely added, including tahini, sesame paste, fresh garlic paste, lemon juice concentrate, salt, cumin, and sometimes other spices or flavorings, depending on the specific hummus recipe. This mixture undergoes thorough blending for several minutes until achieving a creamy, uniform texture. Ingredient proportions are consistently monitored and adjusted through automated systems to maintain product consistency. Sophisticated filling machines use precision nozzles and pistons to accurately dispense exact portions of hummus into containers, ensuring consistent volume and minimal waste. Containers are automatically conveyed along the production line, where sealing machines apply airtight lids using heat sealing or pressure sealing methods to preserve freshness. Labeling equipment then precisely positions and applies pre-printed labels containing details like ingredients, nutritional information, expiration dates, and barcodes. Sensors and cameras verify correct placement and readability of labels for effective traceability and consumer information. Containers of hummus are grouped and boxed in larger cartons for distribution. These cartons are placed into refrigerated storage facilities designed to maintain optimal freshness and extend shelf life. When ready for distribution, boxes are loaded onto refrigerated trucks that transport the hummus to supermarkets, grocery stores, restaurants, and other retailers, ensuring rapid delivery to consumers while maintaining quality and freshness. Factories specializing in hummus production utilize advanced machinery and technology, efficiently producing thousands of containers daily. This extensive, carefully controlled production process ensures hummus remains consistently flavorful, fresh, and widely accessible to consumers worldwide.